Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Elizabeth, and on this channel I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry motivation and lifestyle videos. So today I am going to share with you a cupboard makeover which was long overdue. When I buy this cupboard, it was in the end of January, and I bought these contact papers so that I can put them, but I didn't until the debt get worse. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's get down to the video. I started by measuring my cupboard, the width and the length, yes, of the contact paper to be cut off. So that's what I was doing. Then I took out everything to clean the surfaces, because you don't want to put your contact paper on a dirty surfaces.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't.
Guys, as you can see, these marks, the round marks, are coming from the oils, especially the Archer and other things, the mayonnaise and whatever oil you can think of. It got stuck there. This panel is not smooth. You cannot wipe it with a damp cloth or a multi-surface cleaner. So I just needed to put a contact paper so that I can easily wipe everything off, but it's already dirty.
Going out, this building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these days ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. One spark, I feel lightning blazing up through the darkest nights.
After taking out everything and cleaning the cupboard, it's now time to cut the contact paper to its measurement. So I assumed that all those panels are equal, and they were equal, though the other one was a bit smaller. You can see, you would see when I'm going to put the contact paper that the paper was a little bit longer, but that was not a transmesh. It was good to go. I enjoyed doing this thing. And this contact paper is easy to handle, especially the measurements, because it has got measurements itself behind it. So when you measure, you get a line where you are going to cut. It was so easy to go through this thing.
Hold your breath, make the smoke is burning. You kiss me now and I'll be alright. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
It was hard separating these two papers, because when you remove the paper behind, the contact paper rolls back and start to stuck to itself. So you gotta be careful when removing the paper that is protecting the glue. Here I was just making sure that I remove every bubble that is there, so you don't need air bubbles in that thing. I used this spatula, but it was not working because it's not straight, so I started using my hands to remove every bubble that was made. Now I'm loving the look. I'm done with the first part of the cupboard and it looks so beautiful to me, even though the other sides are still marked with some oil. My aim is to buy, even the door you can see it's dirty with some oil, so my aim is to buy another contact papers, but this time I will buy maybe white and make it all white inside. That goes with time though. So let's move to the second part of the cupboard.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No,
Now this is the last part of the cupboard, and you guys, I must confess, I do regret not putting this contact paper, because the day that they delivered the cupboard, I went and bought these contact papers. I bought them from Pep Home. There were 3 and it costed me, I think it's 30 rand, because it's a long time ago. I cannot remember, but I think it's 30 rand per contact paper. So I bought 3 of them, and they were enough to put on this cupboard. I think I was left with a half of the last contact paper.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets, and the moon shine back again.
This is the final look of my cupboard. I love it. I love it so much. I even love the color of the paper. It looks like wood, even though the color is greenish, but look at it, it's so shining. I can now wipe my paper with a damp cloth or use a multi-surface purpose cleaner, and we are good to go. As for the sides of the cupboard, I'm still looking at it. And this door, I'm gonna buy a contact paper and put it there. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I love you so much, and goodbye.
When I drove down